Welcome! If you want to get iOS launcher on your GIGASET GX290, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. We have to get this application from the Lutin developer, launcher iOS 13. So when you get it, just open. You have to accept all of the permissions that pop up on your screen. And here, as you can see, there's a lot of things that we can customize, but we are going to apply this launcher. So click on the home button and right now enter for the settings, tap right here on the apps and notifications, go for the default apps, and here we have to go for the home application and of course set up the iOS launcher. Click on this notification and it's loading all our stuff that we have on the smartphone, and it is also downloading the weather information. We can also try to modify the home screen, and as you can see, here we are with this iOS launcher on our GIGASET smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.